Now this is something interesting. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So you people know, right, NZXT is like quite popular for making PC cases and cooling solution, and recently they've also made like a couple of motherboards, microphones and a lot of other products. And now they're actually going full-fledged and making PC peripherals also. Keyboard, keyboard, mouse sab bana rahe ye log. And today in the house we actually have their one of their newest keyboard model guys that goes by the name Function. And let me tell you, in the keyboards also they've launched like a couple of different models guys. You've got like full size keyboards available, 10 keyless edition is there, and this is a mini 10 keyless edition keyboard guys, and this is what we'll be unboxing and checking it out. And on top of that, this is no regular keyboard guys, it actually has some pretty interesting features, and that is why I'm like very excited to show you this model. So let's get started with the unboxing. So here's our new NZXT keyboard, goes by the name Function, and as I've told you, we have the mini TKL edition. TKL stands for 10 keyless. It's a super compact premium RGB keyboard, and main highlight of this model is it's got hot swappable switch sockets on board. So you can not only change the keycaps but even change the entire mechanical key itself. Now that sounds very interesting, right? Comes in this very similar packaging guys, white and purple theme, and a picture of the product on the box. Keyboard is available in two different colors in the retail market, but if you actually head over to their website and order it from there, NZXT offers like a full-fledged customization option. You can choose different body colors, keycap colors, which switches you want, and cable accents as well. Right now we have the regular black edition, comes packed like this, and we've got some paperwork at the top, and here's the keyboard we've been waiting for, the all new mini TKL Function from NZXT. Oh boy, get a look at this. Very small and compact, right? And comes in a complete matte black finish. Along with that, in the package, you get a removable Type-C cable for the keyboard, a good quality switch remover, love the purple finish, and a keycap remover as well. And that is it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you all a closer look at the product. As I've told you, we have the smallest form factor mini TKL edition in black color, and this is how it looks like. So before I actually talk about the design and the build quality, let me tell you about the keyboard sizes. Now this is quite crucial and a lot of people don't know about that. So first of all guys, full size keyboard. This is your regular keyboard guys, 104 keys, a regular layout, and you might be like very familiar with this. And second, you have something known as 10 keyless design. So 10 keyless, as the name says, you have like 10 less keys, and basically brands, what they do is they remove the number pad on the right side and make the keyboard much more smaller and compact. Why do they do this? Because a lot of people don't have like a lot of space on their desk, right? So they might be looking for a smaller or compact keyboard, and that is the reason brands decided to remove that number pad on the right and made the keyboard much more smaller and compact. You can even call this like 80% or 85% keyboard as well. Now coming to mini TKL, now this is much more smaller and compact guys, and like the smallest size keyboard that is available. And let me tell you, thing is, in the TKL edition keyboard, you have a bit of spaces guys. Everything is like neatly laid out, and that is the reason you have like spaces between, you know, cursor keys, function keys and all that. So brands removed that space also and bought all the keys like completely close to each other, very compressed, so you can save even more space and, you know, make it much more smaller, and hence the name mini TKL keyboard. So now I hope you people got an idea on the different keyboard sizes, and you know, you can choose any of these depending on your requirement. You've got like big desk too for full size. If you have like a smaller space available, then you can go for 10 keyless or mini 10 keyless, depending on your requirement. Okay, we got deviated a bit, but anyways, coming back to the topic, NZXT's Function has a clean and minimalistic design, just an all black look. Build quality also looks good. Top panel is made of aluminum while the rest of the body is made of polycarbonate. And I've told you at the beginning, right, this is the base variant we have right now. So it comes with a simple ABS shine through keycaps on board, but you can even customize them on the website and order like a separate dye sublimated PBT keycaps variant as well, but that will cost a bit extra. Now since this is a mini TKL edition, all the keycaps are very close and tightly spaced, and you have a total of around 87 keys with per key RGB lighting support and macro control as well. And surprisingly, NZXT also managed to accommodate a volume control roller as well at the top left corner. It's a soft rubberized roller, good quality, and has 3 buttons just below that. You've got a volume mute, Windows key lock, and RGB backlight brightness, along with 2 LED indicators just above them. There's nothing on the other side, and going to the top, here you have the NZXT branding and a Type-C port to connect the cable. Now let me give you a look on the bottom as well. Keyboard has two stands for two different angle adjustments, rubber foot pads in all the corners, and some info about the product over here. So that's it guys, our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Let me just quickly connect it to my PC and show you how it looks like. So as I've told you, it's a super compact mini TKL keyboard. I've been using it for the last couple of days, so let me share you my feedback and review on this product. It's got an ergonomic low profile design and feels quite comfortable while using. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the switches, right? NZXT went with Gateron red linear switches, and best part is they're hot swappable. That means not only the keycaps, you can even pull out the key switches from the keyboard and change them as per your preference. Very easy to do that. They even provided a tool within the package itself. It's got 5-pin hot swappable socket and is compatible with Cherry MX switches as well. Keycap quality is nice. As I've told you, we have the shine through ABS keycaps on board, and you do have an option for dye sublimated PBT keycaps as well, but they'll cost extra. Moving on, let me tell you my thoughts on these mechanical switches. So Gateron Red have a linear operation style. For the last couple of months, I've been using Cherry MX Red for my primary keyboard, and coming from there, Gateron Red switches feel a bit soft. It's slightly less progressive than MX Red and also actuates at a lighter 43 grams at a distance of 2.3 mm, which is slightly further than the Cherry MX. Now, to put it in simple words, these Gateron Red switches feel quite soft and smooth while typing and don't produce that much sound also. Just listen to the sound over here, you'll get an idea on that. Anyways, on the overall, I was quite happy with the performance. The keyboard offered a good typing experience, and the addition of N-key rollover and anti-ghosting also greatly helped while gaming. And talking about the lifespan, as usual guys, 50 million key presses. And now comes the main part, it's RGB lighting. Keyboard offers multiple RGB lighting effects fully customizable using NZXT's CAM software. It offers up to 6 different color modes with normal and reactive key options, and you can easily adjust the brightness, speed, everything basically from the software. Just have a look at these effects. Beautiful, right? They've used good quality RGB LEDs that are decently bright and offer a smooth color transition. And not only the lighting, you can even set up macro keys using this software. Keyboard actually offers 2 extra keys called as F13 and NZXT, and by default they're actually dummy. You can assign them for any function or even set up a macro command as per your requirement. And remapping the keys is also supported in the software. Well, that is it guys, our video on NZXT's newest function mini TKL keyboard. It's great especially for people who want a mechanical board at a compact size. Good performance, love the lighting and customization options as well. Only thing I felt is it's a bit expensive. The base variant itself is priced at around $100, so in India it might be somewhere around 8,000 rupees. And if you do a bit of customizations on their website and choose your own accents or any other mechanical switches, then prices can go up to 14,000 rupees as well. Good thing is NZXT also offers you a bare bones edition, so you can install your own aftermarket switches and caps as per your preference. So you people tell me, like, what do you think about the keyboard? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you all enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.